Oh yeah, g'day. Right, first question is, what is this crazy old bastard building today? Shit! Wat du Arschloch! Schmutziger Futz! Verdammt Heizenmöke! Okay, so we have the quad lock there, and we have a GoPro style there. You can see that's on there, and that's on there, so we now have two quad lock mounts. And so now we have our DMD2, that's drive mode dashboard 2, and we have GPS. Both of them are just mobile phones, and so instead of one large display, I've got a display that gives me my maps and guidance, and I've got the display that keeps track of the trip time and such like as well. Now time to give this a bit of a test to see how solid this thing is at speed and whether or not it's going to need any extra work. Okay, so the test worked perfectly and held up to 100 kilometres per hour. So I'm deeming this experiment a success. Catch you in the next one.